Hello guys, I am Vakas and you are watching my YouTube channel. This video is related to part-time jobs in Austria, and in this video we will discuss particularly what type of part-time jobs are available for students, what are the requirements to find a job, what skills are required to find a job, how to get a job using internet or using your connection. We will discuss in this video. We will also discuss the salary, the type of employment, and what is the role of AMS, Institute of a German Government. And at the end of the video, I will give you a small review related to student jobs and how you can efficiently find a proper job to fulfill your finance requirements. So before starting the video, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have a question, you can comment under this video and I will try to answer your questions. So first question is, how much work is allowed? If you are a bachelor student, then you are allowed to do 10 hour in a week during your semester classes, and for master students it's a 20 hours. It means that when your university is continuing, when the classes are happening, you can do part-time 20 hours for masters and 10 hours for bachelor students, and this is only when the classes are happening. What type of jobs are available mostly for students or a part-time worker? So this is just a overview. The whole scenario you can exactly find when you are already in Austria, or when you try to hunt a proper market where you are living. So the jobs are little bit an open variant depending upon where you are living, how much you want to earn, and how much time you have in your with your studies. So for students, there are some jobs where no German is required, like housekeeping, cleaning the apartment, offices, or farms. In supermarkets, you can also work to arrange stuff in shelves and also in a cash counter. But for cash counter, you need a little bit of German. Then you can work as a English instructor or English teacher for private tuitioning or such things. And the newspaper delivery job is also available, and food delivery jobs like Fedora, Lifrando, there are also like options for students. And especially for girls, there are some options like babysitting, and also in the domain of healthcare, like you have to care for an ill or elderly person and do some house work and go to shopping with him or such. For this job, you also need a little bit of German. It's just a hint. Rather than this, there are also jobs like Hivis, or like a student assistant job in the university, which will pay you well. And there are some jobs like a programmer or apprenticeship in a company, that can also be like a high paying job rather than these jobs. But it's just for an idea where you can find in the first 2-3 months when you are already in Austria, or when you just arrived in Austria. German language is a key of success for part-time jobs. If you can speak fluent German, then there are more possibilities to get a high-paying job, rather than if you are not able to speak German. Nevertheless, you must have at least A1 skills in German language, so so that you can communicate with your coworker or such. And for the jobs where German is not required, you must have at least one international language like English, where you can communicate them in English. So yeah, you either you can be fluent in German, or you must have a knowledge of English language and a basic sentence capacity to speak in German. Yeah. For hunting a job, you need a CV or a resume in German language, your passport, your residence permit, a AMS document, a health insurance certificate, city registration, and university enrollment letter or a semester ticket. How you can find a job is a commonly asked question. So main source of hunting a job is like online. I have also given some links in the description of this video. But whenever you visit a supermarket, there is a notice board after the cashier counter where you can also find some jobs or advertisement. In the university job center, there are also like advertisement related to part-time jobs. You must visit at least once or twice a month to check a proper or like relevant job for you, and also making connection. This is very important. Like most of the students, I have also like gotten my first job with the reference, so make connection with your seniors and they will help you out sometimes to find a job. So how much you can earn? The basic rate, like average rate, is 10 euro per month, and there is two categories of job. One is like without tax and second one is with tax. So when you are like finding a job, you must be careful, like until 485 euros you can earn tax free. This means like you don't have to pay a single penny for this amount. Like you can work 48 hours without tax, and then comes the taxes. So if your salary, monthly salary, is more than 485 euros, then you have to pay taxes, and if the salary is less than 485 per month, then you don't have to pay the taxes. And how much tax you have to pay? For this calculation, you have to calculate your salary as an annual income, and then there are like some steps. Until 11,000 you don't have to pay any taxes. There are just fundamental fees, and from 11,000 to 18,000 you have to pay 25% of the income as a tax. The Arbeitsmarkt AMS is an institute which is controlling supply and demand in the field of jobs, and they will also issue you a paper or a permit. As a student, you have to request, or your employer must have to request a paper or approval from AMS. So at the end, you should firstly get a AMS before signing the job contract. And also please do not like work illegally in Austria. If they found that you are working illegally, they can cancel your visa and they can send you back to your home country. And the good thing is that when you find a job, rather it is a part-time, you are earning below 485 or above 485 euros, your employers pay your health insurance. Either you are below 26 or above 26, the whole amount of health insurance must be like paid from your employers, and you don't have to pay the expense related to health insurance. So it's a good thing that you are a registered worker and you are earning some money, and you are also saving some money in the domain of health insurance. So guys, this is a small video related to part-time jobs, particularly for students in Austria. If you have any questions, please comment below in this video and I will try to answer your questions. And please also like, share and subscribe my channel.